Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask the Experts. I'm Rachel Landry, and today I'll be talking to my colleague, Miles Labonte, a channel account manager here at the company, who will be talking to us about maintenance and support. All right, Miles, take it away.
Hello, my name is Miles Labonte, and today I'll be talking to you about the maintenance and support program that Blue Marble Geographics offers for our software. Our maintenance and support program includes the following: access to application support, access to licensing support, and access to new software versions released within your maintenance and support period. So, who receives maintenance and support? The purchase of a new license comes with 1 year of maintenance and support automatically. At the end of that 1 year complimentary period, the option to renew maintenance and support is available. If you choose to renew your maintenance and support, you'll continue to receive application and licensing support, as well as any major and minor version of the software released within your maintenance and support period. Maintenance and support is not required, however, it is strongly encouraged. Additionally, if you forget to renew your maintenance and support, not to worry, as we have options available for you to get your maintenance and support active once again. Remember, computer failures do happen, so keeping your maintenance and support active will help plan for these unforeseen challenges. If you have any questions about your existing licenses, maintenance and support, or have any questions in general, please contact our sales team via the email listed below. Thank you.
Miles, thank you so much for that information. I know that our users will find it very useful when it comes time to renew their maintenance and support. For more information on Global Mapper licensing, please visit bluemarblegeo.com today. And as always, thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Ask the Experts, and we hope to see you next time.